Welcome back to Château Garrow 2.0. Well, everyone's been asking, where's the grand reveal? Well, voila, here it is.
It's the moment we've all been waiting for. The grand reveal of Château Garrow 2.0 is finally here. Today we're in Paris with interior designer Garrow Kedigian as he opens the doors to his fabulous pied-a-terre. Over the last 18 months as we've watched Garrow bring the apartment's full potential to life, knocking down walls, adding architectural details, and developing a color story that carries you effortlessly from one space to the next.
This living room, I don't know why, for some reason, the minute I walked in here, I really felt like it would be a turquoise. It has such a vibrant nature. It's just so bright and cheerful and happy. So I really wanted to find a color that has a little bit of energy to it. And I was in the south of France recently, and I love the color of the water, of the Mediterranean. So that really is what inspired me for this room.
Along the way, we've explored the city together. We've wandered the Paris flea markets in search of hidden gems and discovered neighborhood shops that felt like true treasure troves.
This piece might actually be perfect for Château Garrow.
Each piece found its place, helping shape a home that is both deeply personal and thoughtfully designed.
And if you guys remember, at the onset of the project, we had a wooden mantle here. It was not original. It had been changed in the 1970s. And I thought about it very carefully. And I thought it might be better if I could just research and find another pompadour. So I searched in the Paris flea markets. I went to see one of my favorite vendors there, and they actually had this in their storage. It has a little bit of the red color that comes through, which connects back wonderfully to my wall color, which I love. But again, it's not matched to the room, and it's a little contrasted, and it creates a little bit of a focal point in the space. I love this.
Now with the transformation complete, the journey has come full circle. So join us as Garrow walks us through his spectacular Paris home. To get early and ad-free access to the full feature presentation of Garrow's grand reveal, go to homeworthyplus.com or scan the QR code on screen.